All right, today we're going to bring a card distributor. Now, this is for if you're playing poker or you're playing Uno or any kind of game that you're playing, and you want to make sure it shuffles or not shuffles, but actually rotates and it distributes the cards very well. Now, this is not a shuffler. It's going to actually only distribute the cards as you want and in timely. So that's another thing too. So if you're playing a game of time and you wanted to distribute the actual cards, it's very simple to program. Now, we're going to take a look at a couple of features and a couple of things you should know, right? On and off button is right underneath of it. Rubber in at the end. This is has to be no obstructions have to be in front of it or anything because this is a rubber end that actually uses to spin it. Like I said, on and off button, power to charge it right in front of it. It's type C. And then you got a couple options in here. You got next item, enter settings, previous items, and add and reduce. And of course, there's a schedule tier to reminder. So if you're playing Texas Hold'em and you have a timer, it will remind you. It could be playing all in one. Now the shark card distribution is going to be from the actual top here, but in the back is the actual betting that you actually put all the cards in there. You can put three decks in here. On the top, hold card, single card, distribute card, and then start. So let's go and turn it on, and we're going to put in some cards and show you how to program this. All right, we're going to turn it on first time so you guys can see it powering on. And it's going to start shuffling. And it's going to give you a couple things you should be aware. And you could change the degrees in certain cards, certain places. Right now, it's 4 players that we have on. And we're going to put cards, player 27, and then hold 0 and then 4. So it's going to distribute 4 cards in 4 different things. So to add more players is very simple. So right now we're going to go into add players. So let's go to add. So right now it's asking us to change it. We're going to -1. So right there we have -3. And then we're going to go to next. And we want to only to distribute 2 cards. So we're going to go back. We're going to distribute 2 cards only. 2 cards and then hold cards 0, keep 0. All right, and then go next. And that's pretty much how we're going to set it up. So let's go. And this actually how many degrees, how far everybody's sitting. So you do have to have certain areas in order to play this thing because it distinguishes wherever you're sitting and where's the center, right? So just make sure you're aware of that. In front of it, it tells you how many degrees and so forth. So we're going to leave it as is. And we're going to distribute 2 cards. So at the moment right now, we're going to distribute 3 players, 2 cards. All right. So it's going to be one angle here and so forth. So we're going to hit start again, and it's going to start distributing. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 players, if you guys know it. And it just gave me 2 cards. Very simple. Everybody gets 2 cards. And it's very simple to program and very easy to set up. Now, you could have a lot of players on this one. I mean, my family is using this for Uno, and it'll distribute the card automatically without anybody have to worry about who's going to distribute to where or forget the direction they're going to distribute. So this thing is ready to go out of the box. You charge it for a couple minutes. It'll last you for many hours and lots of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.